You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing food names and French cooking terms that too many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Meringue. Meringue is how it is said. For reference, in French it is said as meringue. Meringue, the delicious meringue. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of delicious foods that many get wrong. You won't anymore after watching this. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.